Time to work on something fun. It's time to put on the Sissy bar. All right, so what do we got here today? I, after some recommendations from some locals here, ordered a Sissy bar. See that from Edward Richie? Richie? I don't know how you say that. Anyways, manufactured here in Utah. Seen some reviews online that seem pretty good, so we're gonna put this thing right there. Let's do this. All right, as I'm sure the time lapse on the install kind of showed, not a complicated install. So we get the saddlebags off, and then there's just 4 bolts, 2 on each side, and then I don't know if you saw in the video, it's on time lapse, probably didn't see it. So there's a big long silver backing plate back here that these kind of screw into. Kind of looks like that. Pretty straightforward. And then I don't have the bags on, but I did test fit them. It does push these out a little bit. This recessed part here, I don't know how well you can see that, actually goes inside this fender strut. But I'm assuming because of the Sissy bar, the bags need to sit out just a little bit further. But everything, the bags went right on, really no issue. So that's it. And I'll get some shots with the Sissy, or I'm sorry, I'll get some shots of the Sissy bar with the bags on there so you guys can see what that looks like. All right, I'm quite happy with how that looked. I'm excited. All right, there's the bike with the bags back on there. Just kind of get some final shots here. All right, that was incredibly drama-free. The saddlebags off, 4 bolts, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's it. Didn't get the torque wrench out, just went to German spec, good and tight, and yeah, I'll get some more shots of this, but it was a pretty easy install, far easier than the grip stick on the bike. All right, see ya.